Hi, I'm Nathan, and this is how to take care of your house.
I'm drinking Modelo's with Maduro.
On this episode, we will be making a fire in the wood stove. First step is to clear the ash out of the main compartment. So you can just take the brush and sweep it into those grates. And then to empty the catch pan, you rotate that and you take it. Yeah, that's got full. And then empty it into the garden. You guys been usually emptying it.
I use this one, this mulch one. As you can tell, I dump it here.
That back in. And then to close this, you really have to push it forward while twisting it so that it catches the lip. You grab the wood that you want to burn.
What should the moisture be?
Below 20%. It needs to be seasoned wood. Megan and Trevor find a person on Facebook that says it's seasoned. You gotta verify.
Don't buy wood from Troy.
Test your wood. Damn, you torqued my...
That was you.
No.
It was like that
They
before.
were straight before. Turn on the moisture reader. Take a piece of wood and go to like the center of it.
Make sure it's on wood.
Yeah, push it in. So you see this one's at 17.2%. Like test the center, test the outer edges, but really it's the center that's gonna tell you how seasoned the wood is or not. So 14%. I like building kind of like a structure. Then you take some of the kindling, the smaller pieces that are cut. I'll have Megan cut a bunch of smaller pieces. And then you grab the fat wood in that box. This is like super oiled up wood. You only need like 2 or 3. So I put the smaller wood here and then the fat wood above it. So it's at the highest point. And the whole point of this is because the wood stove is in the basement, it's going to have a lot of cold air in the chimney. So you want to heat up the air in the chimney so that the smoke is drafting up instead of coming out into the basement. And then you take your torch. To start the torch, you twist it till you hear a little hiss. And then click the trigger. And then you can really twist it to get it going. And just aim the flame at the top where you see those metal bars. Just aim it there for a few seconds before you actually light the fire. This just gets the air heated so that it starts drafting. And then you light your wood. Alright, so that caught. I usually try to like put one more piece on top of those wood, that way it kind of accelerates.
Oh, don't catch yourself on fire.
This is your air control for the furnace. You want to put it all the way to plus, means more air, so keep that all the way open and keep the doors open until the majority of the wood catches, then you can close it. Now that the wood is caught mostly, you can shut the door. Use this key thing to lock it. It goes in. It's like a child safety thing. And this is full air. I would probably just move it to like the middle and let it kind of burn. And then the goal is to get it into the green zone here. That's like the optimal burn without making creosote. And yeah, just let it do its thing. And then this will automatically spin on its own once heat gets it to move convectively. And that's pretty much the fire.